What's going on, guys? So in this video, I'm going to give you the full strategy for you to get to $10,000 per month selling fishing gear on Shopify. So if you don't know the process already, it's finding viral products, fishing products in this video, on AliExpress that sell for, $10 or so. Then you sell them on your Shopify store for $30 and you use Facebook ads to drive unlimited buyers and you get the margin. So let's say you're making $10 per sale of profit. That's how you're going to get to 10K per month. So let me go ahead and show you this. I know plenty of people that are absolutely crushing it right now. What you're going to do is you're going to go into fishing. You're going to AliExpress, type in fishing, something very broad. Search by orders, and then you can see the most, successful products here, right? These have 6,900 orders. Now, when you see a lot of orders like this, that means you can go into sub niches, right? 4,000 orders, 4,000 orders. So maybe I want to do fishing bait, or I want to do carp fishing, or fly fishing, or feeder rod fishing, whatever it may be. You can go to, it's unlimited how far you can go down this rabbit hole. Now, the key here is most people are going to say test 3 products a day. The problem is it takes an hour per product to test. So that's fine if you have 3 hours a day, but if you don't, it's hard to test that many products, and then you're not going to be successful with this system, right? You have to be able to test a lot of products to find the product that makes you the most profit while you kill the other ones before you spend too much money. So this system I'm going to show you is how to test products in 5 minutes. So if you can test products in 5 minutes, that's like 20 products, or 10 to 15 products per hour, right? Instead of spending an hour per product, and you can launch 10 in 10 hours. So this is the system. I'm going to show you one time for one keyword, but there you can use unlimited fishing keywords: fishing bait, fishing hook, fishing line, fishing rod, and so on and so on. So let's pick this product because I can see there's 5,000 orders. This is a huge niche here, and this is how you do this much faster. So the speed is everything, and that's really what I'm showing you in this video. So, okay, of course we can use Oberlo. If you were doing this process already, you already know of Oberlo, but I want to show you the next part where we actually make the videos and we make the ads and all the targeting in like no time, opposed to spending an hour, hour and a half, right? So let's call this... 6-segment lure. Okay. 6-segment lure. And then we'll change this price from $2.95 to $14. No, I think that's probably too high. $12.95. And let's make the last price $24.95. Okay, perfect. Now we have some image. We're going to push it to our store. Now this is where the secret sauce is. Right? Like I said, if it takes your competitor an hour per product, they can test 10 products in 10 hours. If it takes you 5 minutes, starting now, I click create ad show test, more actions, create ad show. If you don't have ad show yet, make sure to grab it with the link below. You can get ad show access to it and launch products super quick. And it's going to make the video for me. It's going to find all the interest targeting and launch the ads for me. So, anybody can do this. Let's call this... lure, and let's click make video. You could add text at the top, at the bottom if you want. I'm gonna click view to grab the link, and while this video is being created by AdShow, I just want to if you've done this process before, making videos takes a long time, right? 20, 30, 40 minutes, maybe an hour, or you have to pay somebody to make it, right? So now AdShow does it for you. So you just saved a ton of time or a ton of money. You can see the video has been created. It's going to get the eyes of people. People are going to click on it. If they like the product, awesome. Now it's going to do all your audience insights for you, right? So you're finding the best targeting to run your ads to. So you type in one interest, and then it goes and finds the best interests that are like that interest. High affinity interest. Fish trap, fishing float, fishing reel, jigging, soft plastic bait. So many interests. This niche is humongous. So it's pretty exciting. Click add, and now you have 6 different interests ranging from 100,000 people to 25 million people. You're going to click next step, and you're going to start writing your post. This is your actual ad. This is what people are going to see, right? I'm going to say grab yours. Need a new lure. Free shipping today only. And then I'm going to say yes if you want this. And boom. Just like that, I've made the post. I've made the video. I've found my targeting. And now I can launch this $3 ad sets to males 25 plus. Call it Ad Chill Lure. And it's going to create the ads. 5 ads just like that. You made your video, found all your targeting, and everything. Now you're going to absolutely crush your competition when it comes to launching more products. Now, how do you get to 10K per month? Well, if I sell a bunch of those, 1,000 of those per month, that's 10K. Now, if I test a ton of other products and find one that's $50 or another one that's $30 or another one that's $100, you can do the math there. But it's really about finding these winning products and testing so rapidly that you find winning products faster than anybody else. So you can get ad show below. You can see the ads are being uploaded. I can actually probably jump into my ad account. I don't have it pulled up here, but they're all being uploaded to my account. The video's made and all that good stuff. So just go ahead, grab it. Make sure to jump into the mastermind group as well. There's a free link to that group where me and everybody else are hanging out. And then subscribe and ask one question you do have about Facebook ads in the comments below, and I'll get that answered for you. Hope you have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.